Hey friends, my lovely people on YouTube, subscribers and all. Today is a beautiful day and I'm planning to wear my natural hair out this week. Yeah, I washed my hair a day ago and lightly blow dried it. I placed it in 4 twists so that it could stretch a bit and be wonderful for doing a Bantu Knot Out. Before I begin though, I want to let you know that this video is sponsored by Take Me Away Essentials. So here goes. I start by loosening these curls, these twists, these 4 twists, and grabbing my handy dandy large tooth comb, my shampoo comb as some persons call it. Today I will be using my Take Me Away Essentials Hair and Scalp Moisturizing Oil to provide some moisture for my hair and scalp. And I must say that this product smells amazing. It is all natural and filled with different types of oils for hair growth and just everything for hair. To twist my hair, I will use the Take Me Away Essentials Twist, Curl or Sleek Ear Butter. And guys, I love the texture and the feel of this butter. And how it makes my hair feel. And then it's time to twist my hair in small sections, starting from the front, like how I want my hair to fall. So, you know, your style begins from how you part it. So I begin by combing out each section and applying the hair butter. And there are different ways of doing the twist. Here you can see me trying one method, which I didn't like, so I reverted to my other method of just twisting the hair around, just twisting everything around, and then twist the hair around it. I don't know if that was an explanation, but just look on what I'm doing. So that's one option. The other method is to do a regular 2-strand twist and then you wrap the hair around the root. Jamaicans call this the Chiney Bump. Okay, so I'm going to continue doing this until all of my hair is done in Bantu knots. Oh yes, so I said this video is sponsored by Take Me Away Essentials, and I am collaborating with the founder and owner of Take Me Away Essentials. She is also a YouTuber, Renae Thomas-James, and I'll put the link to her channel below. Alright, she creates lovely products for hair and skin. Yes, I will also leave the link to the website just in case you need any of the products. Oh my, hooray, I am all done with my twists. And I will let it set overnight and pull it out in the morning. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Let's hope it will be alright for the morning. Alright, so I'm gonna cover my hair with my bonnet. Yeah, so see you in the morning. Ta-da! Next day. Take down and styling of my Bantu knots. This is the fun part, or not, if you know what I mean, because it can be, you know, it can come out like you wanted it or not. So I can't do without oiling my hands before taking down my twist. This helps with moisture and frizz control. And then it's time to untwist the curls. And then afterwards, some persons separate, but I don't really separate because it makes my hair frizz out. So I just pull the twist out. Okay. And then I will use my wide tooth comb to raise the roots of my hair. I'm going to be very honest, sometimes styling the hair can be quite a challenge. As you can see, sometimes I felt like giving up and I was about to just pull my hair back and just put a bantu or something around the front. But I persisted. Your girl persisted. I was trying different looks until, you know, I was able to get the perfect fit. And then when I saw that it was looking good in both the back and the front, I applied some gel and some bobby pins to create a sleek look at the front. And lay my edges. Yes, gotta lay those edges, yeah, to complete the look. Gotta slay those edges, baby. Again, the products used today can be found in the description. Don't forget to check out my friend's channel for her version of the Bantu Knot Out using these same products. All links are in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it and see you in the next video. Bye now.